Is your RingCentral app feeling a little stale? Are you wondering if now's the right time to hit that upgrade button, or if you should hold off a bit longer? If you're nodding along, you're in the right place. We're going to dive deep into the current state of the RingCentral app, explore the benefits and potential pitfalls of upgrading, and help you decide if a refresh is truly what your communication workflow needs. For years, RingCentral has been a staple in the world of unified communications. It's been the go-to platform for countless businesses, offering everything from VoIP and video conferencing to team messaging and contact center solutions. The app itself has undergone numerous iterations, each promising more features, better performance, and a smoother user experience. But, as with any software, progress often comes with changes, and sometimes those changes can be disruptive. Think about it. You've built a certain muscle memory with the app. You know where everything is, your workflows are optimized, and your team is comfortable. The idea of a significant upgrade, even one that promises improvements, can feel like a leap into the unknown. Will it break existing integrations? Will there be a steep learning curve for your team? Will the new features actually be useful or just add unnecessary clutter? These are all valid concerns, and they're precisely what we're going to address today. Let's start by acknowledging the elephant in the room. Change can be uncomfortable, but change is also inevitable, especially in the fast-paced world of technology. Software developers are constantly working to improve their products, not just by adding new features, but also by patching security vulnerabilities, enhancing performance, and optimizing the user interface based on user feedback and evolving industry standards. So, while your current RingCentral app might be working just fine, it's highly probable that there are underlying improvements and new functionalities that you might be missing out on. So, what exactly does an upgrade to the RingCentral app entail right now? RingCentral, like many SaaS providers, continually pushes updates and enhancements. These often come in two forms: smaller, incremental updates that are automatically applied, and larger, more significant version releases that might require a manual download or a more noticeable shift in the app's appearance or functionality. For the purpose of this discussion, when we talk about upgrading, we're primarily focusing on those more substantial updates or simply ensuring you're running the absolute latest version available. One of the biggest drivers for any software upgrade is access to new features. RingCentral has been consistently rolling out new capabilities designed to enhance collaboration, streamline workflows, and improve overall productivity. For instance, recent updates have focused on deeper integrations with popular business applications like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace, making it even easier to share documents, schedule meetings, and communicate within your existing ecosystem. There have also been significant strides in video conferencing quality and features, including enhanced virtual backgrounds, improved screen sharing options, and more robust meeting controls. For teams heavily reliant on video communication, these advancements could be a game changer. Beyond new features, performance improvements are another compelling reason to consider an upgrade. Older versions of any software can become sluggish over time, especially as your data grows and your usage becomes more intensive. Newer versions are often optimized for speed and efficiency, leading to faster loading times, smoother transitions between different functionalities, and a more responsive overall experience. If you've noticed your current RingCentral app feeling a bit slow or buggy, an upgrade could be the solution to those frustrations. Security is another critical factor. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and software developers are in a perpetual race to stay ahead of malicious actors. Newer versions of the RingCentral app will invariably include the latest security patches and enhancements, protecting your communications and data from potential vulnerabilities. Running an outdated version could leave your business exposed to risks that have already been mitigated in newer releases. This alone can be a powerful argument for staying current. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. The fear of the unknown is real, and sometimes upgrades can introduce their own set of challenges. One common concern is the learning curve for new features or a redesigned interface. Your team has established habits, and a significant change could temporarily slow down productivity as everyone adjusts. While RingCentral typically strives for intuitive design, there's always a period of adaptation. It's crucial to consider whether your team has the capacity and willingness to embrace these changes. Another potential hurdle is compatibility. If you rely on specific integrations with third-party applications, it's essential to verify that the latest RingCentral app version maintains those connections seamlessly. While major platforms generally ensure backward compatibility, niche or custom integrations might require some testing after an upgrade. A quick check of RingCentral's release notes or a brief consultation with their support team can help alleviate these concerns. So, how do you decide? The first step is to assess your current needs and pain points. Are you experiencing frequent crashes or performance issues with your existing app? Are there new features you've heard about that could significantly benefit your team's workflow? Do you work in an industry with stringent security requirements, making the latest security patches a priority? If you answered yes to any of these, then upgrading is likely a good idea. Next, consider your team's readiness. Are they generally adaptable to change, or do they resist new software? If the latter, a phased rollout or providing comprehensive training materials might be necessary. RingCentral often provides release notes and training resources for new versions, so leverage those to ease the transition. Finally, don't be afraid to utilize RingCentral's support resources. Before you upgrade, check their official documentation for the latest release notes, known issues, and compatibility information. If you have specific concerns, reach out to their customer support team. They can provide personalized advice based on your current setup and usage. In conclusion, the question of, should you upgrade the RingCentral app now? Doesn't have a one-size-fits-all answer. However, the general trend in software development strongly favors staying current. The benefits of improved performance, enhanced security, and access to new, productivity-boosting features usually outweigh the temporary discomfort of adapting to change. If you're running an older version, you're likely missing out on significant improvements that could genuinely impact your business's efficiency and security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.